In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your company email in QuickBooks Online. This is a very quick process, but it's important to make sure you update the correct email field, especially if this address is used for company communication, customer contact, or account-related notifications. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can make the change with confidence. To get started, sign in to QuickBooks Online and look to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see the gear icon. Go ahead and click that icon to open the settings menu. This is where QuickBooks gives you access to many of the tools and preferences related to your account and company details. From the menu that appears, select Account and Settings. Once you click that, you'll be taken to a page where you can review and manage important information connected to your company. This section includes several categories, and one of them contains your company information. Here you'll be able to see your current company details, including the email section. Take a moment to make sure you're looking at the right area before making any changes. This helps avoid updating the wrong information by mistake. When you're ready, click Edit on the Email section. After that, enter the new company email address you want to use. Be sure to type it carefully and double-check it for accuracy, since even a small typo can cause problems with receiving messages or notifications later on. Once you've entered the new email, confirm the change. QuickBooks will then save the updated information, and that's it. Your company email has now been changed. This is a simple update, but keeping your company email current is a good habit, especially if your business contact details have recently changed, or if you want to make sure important communication goes to the right inbox. And there you go. That's all it takes to change your company email in QuickBooks Online.